Welcome to another edition of Crazy Uber Lyft Confessionals from a Driver, me being the driver, episode number 43, I believe. This one's a doozy. So, two young ladies get into my car. I'm guessing somewhere in their 20s. I don't know. I stink at guessing ages. Probably doesn't matter. But we get the ride started, and one of these young ladies says to the other, in full voice, perfect stranger in the front seat, me being the driver, in full voice to the other lady, she says, "Yeah, the guy I was with last night, he said my pussycat was the best he'd ever had," minus the word cat. I don't want to lose my monetization on YouTube, so I will say pussycat. But she was saying without the cat, just so you know. So she says, "Yeah, the guy I was with last night, he said I have the best pussycat he'd ever had before in his life." And then I said, "What about your girlfriend? What's her pussycat like?" And he says, "It's all right, but yours is the best." I don't know how I kept a straight face while I was driving. Man, I must be more professional than I care to admit, but I was laughing on the inside, and now I'm laughing now. I just thought I'd share that with you. The rest of the conversation between the two girls was just that was the tone. They had quite a few little gems in there. Oh my God, that was funny. Wow. Now, it's really no big deal. It means nothing, but one thing I don't understand with some people is I'm a big fan of sex and intimacy, making out, love, kissing, all those things. I think it's wonderful. It's, the right chemistry. But I don't understand the scandalous part in there. Obviously, there's scandal in there. What about your girlfriend? Oh, hers is okay, but yours is the... What? I can't ever imagine looking at human beings that way, where I could just treat them like, I don't know, the stereotyped piece of meat, something to conquest. But, some people do, and some people have no shame about it. They'll get in the backseat of somebody's car, a stranger, and, have at it with the conversation. They don't care. That blows my mind. Oh, wow. So be careful who you're with, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. That's all I got for you. Well, I got plenty more episodes. This is number 43, so I guess that means I got 42 other ones before this one. And more coming, I'm sure, as the interesting rides happen. There will always be another episode. And you can see these on my website at tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do mostly health and fitness and wellness videos in the scope of natural remedies and healing and so forth, and lots of recipes and cooking channels and exercise videos and anything to do with wellness. But I'll also throw these in there as well, the more interesting rides I get with Uber and Lyft, because why would I not? This has been quite an interesting journal. tomberkenmeyer.com. And feel free to share this. Drop your comments. Would you have been able to keep your laughter to yourself, or would you have been caught laughing? Would you have had to go, "Oh God, sorry, I wasn't laughing at you, I just remembered another joke I heard earlier"? Or would you be able to keep it together like I did? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Bye for now. Mwah.